Lee Bay is a place where history, legend, and nature intertwine in a fascinating way, creating an atmosphere full of mystery and beauty. Anyone who visits this place has a chance to discover something unique, whether it's a romantic legend, an extraordinary natural phenomenon, or simply the peace that accompanies walks along the rocky coastline.
The beach at Lee Bay is pebbly, and during low tide, more space and rocky formations are revealed, making it perfect for exploration, especially for nature enthusiasts and geology lovers.
One unique feature of Lee Bay is a hidden beach that is accessible only at low tide. This beach, known as Sandy Cove, is concealed behind rocky formations and can be reached by walking along the coast from the main Lee Bay beach. However, reaching Sandy Cove requires caution, as it's important to track the tide schedules. At high tide, the beach can be completely submerged, and access may become dangerous.
Although Lee Bay is a small and peaceful bay, it has its own stories and legends that add to its charm.
One popular legend associated with Lee Bay tells of a dragon that had its nest in a cave on the shore of the bay. This dragon was known to guard the coast from intruders, and only the bravest fishermen dared to approach its lair. It was believed the dragon had magical powers and that its presence provided protection from sea invaders. Eventually, the dragon was said to have disappeared in a mythical way, leaving its nest empty, though some claim that traces of its presence can still be found in the deep caves of the bay.
The cliffs surrounding Lee Bay are known for being geologically active. Cliff erosion is a constant occurrence, causing the coastline to continually shift. This phenomenon attracts geologists from all over the world, who study the erosion processes and their impact on the landscape.
Sailors and smugglers. Lee Bay and its surroundings were once the site of intense smuggling activity, as the seclusion of the bay made it ideal for hiding contraband, mainly alcohol, tobacco, and luxury goods. Local pubs and inns were often involved in this practice, with some even having hidden tunnels leading directly to the beach, allowing smugglers to quickly transfer goods from boats to buildings.
Lee Bay and nearby villages attract artists from across England. The peace and beauty of the bay have inspired painters, writers, and sculptors who often visit these places to draw inspiration from nature. Lee is home to small art galleries and workshops where local crafts and artworks inspired by the surrounding area can be admired and purchased.
The bay and its surroundings are home to many rare species of plants and animals. Unique bird species can be seen on the cliffs, and seals are often spotted resting on the rocky outcrops along the beach. The vegetation around the bay is lush and diverse, making it a popular spot for botanists.
Located on the rocky coastline, Bull Point Lighthouse was built in 1879 to ensure safe navigation for ships passing along the dangerous cliffs. Now fully automated, the lighthouse remains a popular tourist attraction offering scenic views of the Irish Sea. The lighthouse was fully automated in 1995 and has not been manned by lighthouse keepers since then. Today, it is remotely monitored by Trinity House, the organisation responsible for lighthouses in the UK.
The former lighthouse keepers' cottages, located next to the lighthouse, are now offered as accommodation for tourists, making the site even more attractive to visitors.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated.